I have a quick question for you. Is the coming sentence correct? Si vas a la tienda, lleva leche. If it is, tell me why in the comments, and if it's not, tell me why not in the comments. Hi, I'm Daniela from Tell Me Spanish, and I'm here to help you become fluent in this language. Traer and llevar are two verbs that we use to express movement in Spanish. Because of that, many people confuse these two verbs, even though we don't really use them interchangeably. So stick through this video because not only I'm going to teach you how to use these words correctly, but I'm also going to give you a quiz just to make sure that you understand the idea between these verbs, and I'm also going to give you next steps so you can perfect this topic. So, as I was saying at the beginning of this video, traer and llevar, we use them to express movement. In other words, we use them to say that we're moving an object. And the key with these verbs, I'm going to tell you a little secret. The key with these verbs is that they are selfish verbs. They are self-centered, and I'm going to explain you why. Let's start with traer. When we use traer, we're expressing that the thing or person that we're moving somewhere is going to move towards the speaker. It's going to go where the speaker is. So for example, I have this beautiful dog over here, and if I say to my brother, hey, trae el perro, he has to go all the way here. I know it doesn't look that big in the board, but he's going to go all the way here, and he's going to bring the dog to where I am. So that's why these verbs are selfish, because they are focusing on the speaker, okay? It doesn't matter how far or how close the object is, we're focusing on the speaker, okay? Let me give you some examples. Number one, trae al perro, por favor. Bring the dog, please. Number two, Laura trajo a su novio a mi fiesta. Laura brought her boyfriend to my party. Why? I don't know why. And on this one, I want you to pay attention. This speaker is not the same as the subject of the sentence. In this case, I'm the speaker. I'm telling you what Laura did, okay? So that's why we're using traer, because I'm telling you what she did. Example number 3. Si van a la tienda, traigan leche. If you guys go to the store, bring milk. So if you check these examples, all of them are expressing that you or somebody else is going to move an object towards the speaker. In this case, me. And as a key, this is a key tip that you are going to use. Traer usually works with the adverbs. Sorry, it looks like a tongue twister. It's going to work with the adverbs aquí and acá. Can you imagine why? Because these adverbs express closeness to the speaker. So because traer is saying that you're going to bring something towards the speaker, you're going to combine them with these adverbs. Let's go with llevar. And llevar too is also a self-centered verb, which means that it's going to be completely focusing on the speaker. So in this case, we're going to use llevar to express that we're going to move something to a different location than the speaker. So over here, we have my beautiful dog and my annoying little brother, and I'm going to tell him, hey, lleva el perro a la casa. So I'm right here, and the dog is going to be moved to a different location. Because of that, I'm going to use llevar. Let me give you an example. ¿Me puedes llevar al aeropuerto? Can you take me to the airport? We're obviously at my house or somewhere else, but we are going to go to a different location than the one that I'm right now. Second example, and this one is very common in your daily conversations. Mis tacos son para llevar. My tacos are to take. I'm going to take them to my house and eat them in front of the TV. Third example. Oye, llevé tus cosas a tu cuarto. Even though we are in the same house, under the same roof, I'm still moving your things from a different location than where I am. Like, I took them from the living room to your bedroom. Because llevar expresses a farther distance between the object and the speaker, it's common to combine it with the adverbs allí and allá, okay? Because they express that distance. So now that you understand the differences between these two verbs, let me give you a quiz. You don't have to worry about conjugating the verb, you just have to choose and fill the blanks with the infinitive verb. So let's start. Number 1. ¿Qué vas a blank a la fiesta? Number 2. Espérame, voy a blank agua. Number 3. Voy a blank a los niños a la escuela. Number 4. Vas a ir a la tienda, puedes blank más pan. Number 5. Mi mamá va blank al perro al veterinario. Leave your responses in the comments. If I need to, I'm going to make corrections, and if not, congratulations, you understand this topic. So, for your next step, I'm going to leave you in the description a link to a video on this same lesson, just on Spanish, in case you want to practice your listening and comprehension. The second resource is going to be a conjugation guide on the verb trier. If you check the examples, this is a highly irregular verb, so you need to get comfortable with it. So check that guide. And number 3, this is a more advanced use for these verbs. These two verbs can be combined with direct object pronouns. They are going to make your sentences quicker and shorter. So make sure you check the guide that I'm going to leave you. That way you know how and when to use direct object pronouns. So that's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!